Okay, just a really quick video for how to save out uh, rasters into a more compact format so that we don't use up a bunch of resources on the mobile side. Okay, so for instance, this is a big raster, and so I'll export this over. What we're doing is we're just going to export to a GeoPackage. So you just go and you export it. Change this to GeoPackage. It writes out a little GeoPackage database. Actually, I'm going to grab the name of this because I want to give it the same name. Okay, so I'm just going to save this to GeoPackage and save it in the right directory here. And then these options here, we're going to build pyramids. We're going to do 2, 4, probably 8. See, these numbers get smaller. It's just resampling. It's redividing it by larger numbers. So, you know, as you zoom out, it's going to render a more coarse 790 by 790. You know, and I think once you go beyond that, that's plenty coarse for the iPad to render without a problem. So that's kind of the max there, and everything's correct here. So I'm just going to hit OK. Generates that GeoPackage, and it's going to dump it in here too. And takes a little while. Okay, there it is. And so you really can't tell the difference. It resampled it. Very, very subtle difference. And let's see, the file is, that's 10.5 megs. The original is 17, so we almost cut it in half. Yeah, so that's our workflow, at least for now. And then what we'll do is, of course, only include the GeoPackage versions in the project that gets synced over to merge in and so forth. Okay.